A woman's strength is the secret behind life's resilience. In the tapestry of life, women weave threads of wisdom, courage, and grace. A woman's heart is an endless well of love, nurturing the roots of life's grand tree. She dances with the storms and paints the sky with the colors of her resilience. The wisdom of a woman is a beacon, guiding ships through the turbulent seas of life. A woman is like a flame, her warmth and light illuminate even the darkest corners of existence. Life's melody is incomplete without the harmonious notes of a woman's wisdom. In the garden of life, a woman is the delicate yet resilient flower that blooms against all odds. Her laughter echoes in the corridors of time, a testament to the joy she brings to life's journey. A woman's love is a sacred elixir, healing wounds and nurturing the spirit. She is the architect of her destiny, building bridges of strength and wisdom. Life is a canvas, and a woman's spirit paints it with strokes of resilience and beauty. In the book of life, every chapter written by a woman is a masterpiece of strength and grace. A woman's wisdom is a lantern in the dark, guiding others to the shores of enlightenment. She is the storyteller of life's epic saga, infusing each chapter with passion and purpose. A woman's heart is a sanctuary, embracing the joys and sorrows of life with unwavering love. Her footsteps leave imprints of courage on the sands of time, inspiring generations to come. Life's journey is a dance, and a woman gracefully leads with strength, compassion, and wisdom. A woman's spirit is a force of nature, shaping landscapes of hope and love. She is the architect of her dreams, building castles of resilience in the face of life's storms.